The next topic is ring structure of D minus fructose. In this section we can discuss about the limitation of open chain structure of fructose and ring structure of the D minus fructose. So first of all, we can start with limitation of open chain structure of fructose. As we can already discussed in our previous lecture, the limitation of the open chain structure of the glucose. Similarly, we can here discuss the limitation of the open chain structure of the fructose. The open chain structure of fructose explain most of its characteristics. What it failed to explain the following fact. The first one is that D minus fructose does not react with sodium bisulfite, even though it can contains a ketonic group. Then second one, D minus fructose exists in two isomeric form. It is alpha and beta fructose, which have different specific rotation and exhibit Mutero rotations. And the last one is that the D minus fructose form two isomeric methyl alpha D fructoside and methyl beta D fructoside on treatment with methanol in the presence of hydrochloric acid gas. So these are the major limitations of the open chain structure of the fructose. Then let us discuss the ring structure of the D minus fructose. To account for the above limitations, it was suggested that fructose exists in a cyclic hemiacetal form. It was assigned a six-membered or pyranose hemiacetal ring structure, which is formed by the combination of ketonic group on carbon number 2 and hydroxyl group on the carbon number 6 to give rise to alpha and beta D minus fructose. So these are the structures of the alpha D minus fructose and beta D minus fructose. In order to determine the ring structure of the D minus fructose, here we can follow the similar procedure for the determination of the ring size of the fructose as similar to that of the case of the glucose. The fructose was first converted into methyl fructoside, which on exhaustive methylation gave methyl tetra O methyl fructoside. This on hydrolysis with dilute hydrochloric acid yield tetra O methyl fructose, and subsequently oxidation of tetra O methyl derivative with nitric acid and the identification of the product confirmed the six-membered or pyranose structure of the fructose. It may be seen that unlike glucose, alpha and beta form of fructose differ in their configuration around carbon number 2. In case of alpha D fructose, this group it is on the left hand side, and in case of beta D fructose, this group is on the right hand side, and this configuration it will differ on carbon number 2 This means that C2 is the anomeric carbon atom in case of fructose. So these are the ring structure of D minus fructose. By using Haworth projection formula, alpha and D beta D fructose may be represented by these two structures. This one is the alpha form and this one is the beta form. The difference among these two structures is that the group which is attached with this carbon is on the upper side, and in other form this group that is on toward the downward side, and rest of the structure that is similar in both the cases. So it is Haworth projection formula. Then conformation formula of the fructose. In terms of conformation, fructose exists in the chair conformation due to its greater stability. The chair conformation of alpha and beta D fructose, that is represented by these two structures. In case of alpha D minus fructose, this group that is on the equatorial position, and in case of beta D fructose, this group that is on the axial direction, and the rest of the configuration in both the cases that is similar. Then 5-membered ring in case of fructose. It may be noted in few cases, such as in case of sucrose molecule, the D-fructose exists in a 5-membered ring or furanose form. The sucrose molecule is an disaccharide which can consist of a glucose and an fructose unit. The Haworth projection formula for furanose form of alpha and beta D fructose, that is shown by these two formula. This one is the alpha form. It will having this group on upper side, and in case of beta form, this group that is on the lower side, and the rest of the configuration that is same in both the cases. So this one is the 5-membered ring of the fructose which can occur in case of sucrose molecule. So it is all about the ring structure of D minus fructose.